Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to change the font size in the Google Chrome browser. Changing the font size can make text easier to read, especially if you feel that websites look too small or too large on your screen. Firstly, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open Chrome's Settings page. Once the Settings page opens, click on the search bar inside the settings and type font. This helps you quickly find font-related options without scrolling too much. After typing, scroll down slightly until you see the option called Font Size. Now click on the Font Size drop-down menu. Here, you will see different size options such as very small, small, medium, large, and very large. Select the font size that feels comfortable for you. As soon as you change the size, the text on websites will automatically adjust, so you can see the effect instantly. This setting applies to most websites and helps improve readability without affecting the website layout too much. You can come back and adjust the font size anytime based on your preference. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.